Question number 1. Which of the following is the primary goal of community health nursing? The right answer is option B, promoting and maintaining public health. Question number 2. What is the main focus of community health nursing? The right answer is option A, disease prevention and health promotion. Question number 3. Which of the following is an example of primary prevention in community health nursing? The right answer is option C, vaccination programs. Question number 4. Which level of prevention includes health education and promotion? The right answer is option A, primary prevention. Question number 5. What is the best method to control a communicable disease outbreak in a community? The right answer is option B, early detection, isolation and vaccination. Question number 6. What is the primary role of a community health nurse in tuberculosis control? The right answer is option A, administering TB treatment and ensuring patient compliance. Question number 7. Which organization is responsible for global health monitoring? The right answer is option A, WHO. Question number 8. What is herd immunity? The right answer is option B, protection of a population when most individuals are immune. Question number 9. Which disease is eradicated worldwide due to vaccination? The right answer is option D, smallpox. Question number 10. Which of the following is an example of secondary prevention? The right answer is option A, screening for breast cancer. Question number 11. What is the primary mode of transmission for hepatitis B? The right answer is option C, blood and body fluids. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a function of a community health nurse? The right answer is option D, performing major surgeries. Question number 13. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? The right answer is option A, vitamin A. Question number 14. What is the key strategy in maternal health programs? The right answer is option B, family planning and antenatal care. Question number 15. Which disease is transmitted by Aedes mosquito? The right answer is option D, dengue fever. Question number 16. What is the primary purpose of school health programs? The right answer is option B, promoting healthy lifestyles among students. Question number 17. Which of the following is an example of environmental health intervention? The right answer is option A, installing clean water supply. Question number 18. Which of the following is a common vector-borne disease? The right answer is option C, malaria. Question number 19. Which group is most vulnerable to malnutrition? The right answer is option B, infants and young children. Question number 20. What is the most effective method of contraception? The right answer is option C, intrauterine devices. Question number 21. Which is the most common cause of child mortality worldwide? The right answer is option A, malnutrition and infections. Question number 22. Which organization runs the expanded program on immunization? The right answer is option D, WHO. Question number 23. Which of the following is not a waterborne disease? The right answer is option D, tuberculosis. Question number 24. The best way to prevent nosocomial infections is by. The right answer is option B, regular hand washing. Question number 25. Which law focuses on occupational health and safety? The right answer is option A, OSHA. Question number 26. What is the normal range per body mass index? The right answer is option C, 18.5 to 24.9. Question number 27. Which program focuses on reducing maternal and infant mortality? The right answer is option D, Safe Motherhood Initiative. Question number 28. The best way to prevent hepatitis A is by. The right answer is option A, drinking clean water. Question number 29. What is the main cause of iron deficiency anemia? The right answer is option B, insufficient iron intake. Question number 30. The best method to educate a community about disease prevention is. The right answer is option A, mass media campaigns.